Hey neighbors, we're out in Parkside again today. We're at the American Legend model and we're going to take a quick tour. Come along. So we got an office and a dining room right off the entrance. Then we're going to sweep right back through here and see the powder bath. And then we've got a bedroom. And remember, the garage is where they've got kind of a design center set up. So we're gonna go back in the utility room. And then they've got the one-car garage over there. And then at the end of the hallway is the master. They carried the wood into the master. It's personally something I love to do. I do it in my personal homes. I really recommend everybody do it in your home if you can. And there's these beautiful windows again. Remember, I love glass off the back of the house, whether it's the master or the family, especially if you have a pool. Closet, cute little linen closet. Really dramatic bath. Let me back up a little so you can see it better. His and her sinks, tub and shower, his and her closets. And I'll try to give you a little bit different view. Just really cute. And then there's the door to the master. Now let's go take a swing around the family room and the kitchen. We kind of passed that by. So let me give you kind of a panoramic to start. And again, big wall of movable doors that are glass. And see the transom lights above it? Super bright and light in here, super cheerful. Navy blue island. Really cute. Wet bar pass through to the dining. 2 windows in the kitchen, which I love to see. I really miss homes not having windows in the kitchen. The thing that strikes me about this home, quite frankly, is all the light. They have really gone to town with all the glass. And it's really funny because keep in mind, in model homes, you're gonna see all the glass without the windows down. And then when you build a home and you move in, more than likely, you're gonna put shutters on them. So see this? Do you see how this goes all the way back? That goes back to one of the window panels and it opens all the way up. So I'm gonna have mercy on them. It's the summer. And I don't wanna drain all their air conditioning out of there. And again, this is a very modest pool, but it tucks into this yard just perfectly. And they've got a combination of this gorgeous swimming pool. And then let me get you a better view. So isn't that awesome? You've got the swimming pool, you've got the pond, you've got this cute back porch, and that whole wall of glass right here, that's 3 panels and it folds back into one. And I know you guys have seen this in model homes, but I think it's brilliant to have an easy access door for everyday usage. And then when you entertain at night or when the weather's right, you just put all that back. I think that's brilliant. But it's heavy. It's actually pretty easy to move. Now those aren't cheap. So if you're thinking of putting those in your home, you need to understand that those are not cheap. I've heard estimates from $10,000 or $12,000 to upwards of $20,000, depending on how complicated. So super dramatic upstairs with a combination of the wood and the designer carpets. Got a gorgeous room staged right now with billiards and a built-in wet bar. Again, look, American Legends pulled in so much glass in this house that it's amazingly light and bright. You can see the fountain through the window. You've got the big doors down there. The eat-in area had glass. This is one of the lightest and brightest houses I've been in a couple of months. Cute decorated room, ensuite bath, great for kids, especially teenage kids. And I forgot to show you, there's a little built-in study center, and then there's a powder bath up here to access for the game room and the media room. Now, when this style of bedroom is really neat. It's an ensuite bath for this bedroom, but if you notice when I spin around, see the bathroom as we leave, it's actually technically in the bedroom. So if I shut the door and lock it, then whoever lives in this bedroom has their own bath and they've got privacy, or they can leave the door open and it's easy access from either the media room or the family room, even though there's a powder bath over there serving both. There's my face. So guys, this is a great house. Remember my rule about wood upstairs. Don't get mad at me if you put wood upstairs and it's a hollow knocking sound every time the kids run back and forth. It looks beautiful, it shows great. It's not such a great upgrade to do though for livability. So guys, I really love the light in the American Legend home. That was one of the, I don't know, it just feels good when you're in there. It's super light, it's super bright. That energy is just amazing. It may have to do with having a swimming pool and a pond view. Just outrageously cool. By all means, if you want to come see an American Legend home, give me a call. I'd love to take you out and show it to you. And as always, may God bless and keep you and cause his face to shine upon you. Until we meet again.